Yeah, hello guys, and welcome to Network Pips. Today we'll be looking at the lab requirements and the setup for our CCNA 200-201 series. Uh, Pretty much all the labs will be built around the Cisco packet tracer. We're going to have a lot of hands-on and we're going to get our hands dirty. So Cisco packet tracer is a software developed by Cisco, and it's more it's a simulation software that Cisco provides for their students where they can test out their skills, their networking skills, the security used for security. You can test out security skills. You can test out skills like Internet of All Things as well in this Cisco packet tracer. Uh, Enough of the discussion. Let's hop in and see how we can get to download this Cisco packet tracer. We hop on to Cisco Academy. Uh, Click on the first link. Don't have account with them, create account. If you have account, just uh, log in to the account to take you right here. So if you don't know the resource you're looking for, you can pretty just search packet tracer here, and it will lead you to packet tracer. But I know where it is. I'm going to just go to resources, go to download packet tracer. So packet tracer is just on this page. Scroll down a little bit, you see what you're looking for. You see the Windows version of the packet tracer. The Windows version will have the 64-bit and also the 32-bit version of it. We also have Ubuntu and also the Mac OS as well. So these are the pre-version before all this as well. You can look at them and see if you can download them. But the latest version is 8.1. So it's much going to serve you uh, uh, for this course. But if you are looking at getting a feel of the gear, you can purchase these live gears. I will advise you, if you're going for the switch, you go for 2950 switch. 2950 switch layer 2. It's a layer 2 switch, which is going to pretty much do most of the things you're going to need for this course, for the lab, for this course. Then also you can also go for the 3550 switch as well. 3550 switch pretty much the same as the 2950 switch, but it has a routing feature, while the 2950 switch does not have that feature. So you can hop on to eBay to purchase these devices just for a few dollars. You go to eBay, go to ebay.com. It's coming up. So if you search for okay, so if you search for Cisco routers, let me say Cisco routers, going to pop you a whole lot of. So we can see the one for the 1900 series Cisco router, and let me show you the one for that 2900 series. Okay, so the Cisco router 2900 series, you can see just few dollars, 35, $75, just few dollars of them. Then you can make purchase for the 2950 Cisco switch 29 50. Then let's see how that one, much is that one. Okay, pretty much $15, $25, $32, very much cheap. Then 3550 switch as well, the layer 3 switch. You can see you can have a purchase of this just for $92, $53, and it will get delivered to you. Yeah, but if you don't want to waste money on these gears, of course, one of the reasons why people decide to go for the purchase the live gear because of the Cisco packet tracer has limitations. So it has limited set of commands that you can run on these simulations. So people tend to go for the live gear, and they to also get a feel of these devices and see how they looks like, and they log in today. But if you don't have money to purchase this live gear, but you still want to have a feel and taste of how the real command line looks like as well, you can go for another software called GNS3. GNS3 is also lucky for you. It's free. You can see free download. You can make a download from here. But another one is Evengy. 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 Oh, see there. Evengy. So Evengy is another product that looks like Cisco, that looks like GNS3, and it's also free. You can read the docs, download it, and it's pretty much it. But this emulator, these ones are called emulator softwares. Emulation, it's going to emulate the environment, makes you make they are emulating like the real live device. So but they are not pretty much easy to set up, but it's not uh, it's not difficult to set up as well. You can also go for cisco viral cisco viral cisco viral. You can download cisco viral as well on cisco software and the software download as well. Cisco Viral download. Download Cisco Viral. You go to their software download. Where is Cisco software download? You go here. You're going to download it as well. But Cisco Viral is not free, so advise you, if you are for this course, there is pretty not much no need for that one. So, but for this course, the Cisco package tracer is going to carry you through for pretty much everything that you need for this course. So you can also make purchase for the console cable which you are going to use and log into these devices to gain insights on them. If your system does not support the serial connection, you make purchase for the USB to serial converter, so you can use your USB ports to log into these devices as well. Then also later on in this course, I'm going to show you how you can connect to this device, console to these devices. If you get to the lab stage, then also you can make purchase for Ethernet cables depending on the number of connections you're planning to connect as well. And that depends on the ones you're going to go. You can make purchase for Cat 6, Cat 5. So depending. Then and another environment that we'll be setting up is the virtual environment. So these ones are for our automation and programmability labs. So pretty much some of the application or tools we'll be using in this course uh, does not re- does not run on Windows. So it's advisable if you are using Mac, you don't have issues. If you are using a Linux machine, you don't have issues. But if you are using a Windows machine, you're going to download a VM, a virtual environment software, which you can run virtual machines on them. So I'll advise you installing a Linux machine prior to this course before we get to that stage. So you can install a Ubuntu Linux machine, at least 18.1 version of them. So on VMware, aside from VMware, there are pretty much other virtual environments that we have, like you have VirtualBox, VirtualBox. You have also VMware workstation. VMware Workstation is not free. It's not a free one. You can download VMware Fusion for people on Mac OS, or you can also use or Hyper-V as well. So these are other virtual environments that we can run and make use of. So these are pretty much uh, all about what we're going to be looking at for the labs. So, so for now, I'm going to this session will come to an end, and I would like to thank you for watching. See you in the next video.